my channel. So if you've been here before, welcome back, and if today's your first day, welcome. Hello, my name is Amona. So in today's video I will be doing the high ponytail, but I will be using the Marley hair. So the brand that I'll be using is the Noir. So this is how it looks like, the one with the green package. I already took it out of the package, so this is what I will be using for my ponytail. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, I am going to be using Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So some people do this hairstyle on the wet hair, but I'm going to do it on the dry hair. I'm not going to wet my hair, so I'm just going to moisturize my hair with this. So after, I'm going to brush my hair into a ponytail. I am going to grab my Eco Styling Gel and lay my natural hair down a little bit. Okay, so I have my Eco Styling Gel right here, and I'm just gonna lay my natural hair down a little bit because I still want to keep the natural look. So I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna lay it down a little bit. So I went ahead and I laid my edges as well. As you can see, I'm not a perfectionist, so I'm still working on that, but I did a little something, you know. So anyway, I am going to grab my Marley hair and put my ponytail on now. Okay guys, so this is the Marley hair. So I am just going to twist the scrunchie this way, and then I'm going to put it around my bun. And I'm just gonna flip it over. Ooh, that's massive. Okay, so yeah, we're going to work through this, okay? Okay, so to cover my natural hair, I am going to grab strands from the back and wrap it around my ponytail. It's like a good amount of strands. And then secure it with a hairpin. Yeah, I'm going to secure this with a hairpin. Okay. to get more strands in the back and cover my natural hair with it and then pin it down. Okay guys, so I'm just going to tie my hair down and go do my makeup, and I will be right back and show you the final look. Okay, I'll be right back, guys.
Right now, looking at like what I'm seeing, got me feeling kinda shy right now. Couldn't stop right now, even if I wanna, gotta get it, wanna stop right now.
Right now, looking at like what I'm seeing, got me feeling kinda shy right now. Couldn't stop right now, even if I wanna, gotta get it, wanna stop right now. Oh my God, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens next. No, I can't be responsible if I get you in trouble now.
This is the end of the video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.